Hi everybody, my name is Adam. Welcome back to my channel. So right now we're gonna do this mini brands puzzle. It has 200 pieces. We're gonna start opening it. For the next video, we're gonna do this Pokemon puzzle. So let's start opening it. Started opening it. It only has one mini brand, which is a food mini brand. It's this. Okay. Let's start opening this. This is what we did. So if you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want us to do another puzzle just like this, comment down below. So bye.